Hello, welcome back to another video on the channel where today I'm going to be telling you how to add Gaussian blur into your sequence. So we're going to start off straight away. We've got a full sequence right here. So what we want to do is we want to go to video effects. So from here we want to go to blur and sharpen, where you will find Gaussian blur. So what you want to do with this is you want to go and drag and drop it onto your sequence. So from here we can scroll down and we can put a Gaussian blur in here. So here it is. Right, this is our Gaussian blur. So it's sort of like a mask in the way that you move it, but obviously you can control the blurriness. So say I wanted to blur something out that maybe might be censored or might be just not good for the video, then I can blur it out. So here we have, I could blur out my character for the whole time. So that was how you can use Gaussian blur in Premiere Pro. I really do hope you enjoyed.